Here's how to find your overdraft limit on OnePay in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you a step-by-step guide where to find your actual fee-free overdraft limit and how to tell it apart from OnePay Advance. Quick note, this involves a financial service and access to additional funds, so review OnePay's terms and fees before using either feature. First, open the OnePay app and sign in. You'll see the home screen with your account information. Tap Checking or Savings to open your account details. Once the account page loads, look for the settings icon in the upper right corner. Next, tap the settings icon. Then select Savings Backup and Overdraft. This opens the settings page for your account's backup and overdraft features. After that, find the fee-free overdraft protection section. If you're eligible, your current overdraft limit will appear here. Now check the amount shown in that section. This is your fee-free overdraft limit. It's the amount OnePay may cover for eligible transactions that would push your checking balance below zero. Your limit is assigned automatically, so it can be different from another customer's limit. Then return to the Home tab to check the second feature. Look for Get X dollars instantly. This amount is your OnePay Advance offer, not your overdraft limit. Advance works differently because the offered amount is transferred into checking before you spend it. If you don't see this option, there's another way. From Home, look for Get X dollars instantly to check your advance offer. But if you specifically need your overdraft limit, return to Checking or Savings, open the settings icon and select Savings Backup and Overdraft. One important note, fee-free overdraft and OnePay Advance are separate features. Fee-free overdraft has no overdraft fee, while OnePay Advance can include a 3% advance overdraft fee. Once everything is set, your fee-free overdraft limit will appear under Savings, Backup, and Overdraft, while any separate advance offer appears on Home. Following these simple steps makes finding your OnePay overdraft limit quick and easy.